So, you're managing a huge facility. You know that keeping it clean isn't just about looking good. It's about safety, it's about efficiency, and yeah, it's about the bottom line. But picking the right industrial cleaning machine, that can feel like, where do you even start? Well, today, we're going to cut through all that noise and give you a clear, simple guide to making a really smart investment. All right, let's just be honest for a second. Are you or is your team still trying to clean thousands and thousands of square feet with tools that belong in a home broom closet? If you're nodding your head right now, you already know how inefficient that is. You know there has to be a better way. You know, the difference between cleaning by hand and using a machine, it's not just an upgrade, it's a complete game changer. Look, on one side, you've got the old way. It's slow, it's a huge safety risk with those wet floors, and the results are, well, they're all over the place. But then you look at the machine side. That's what a modern business needs. Crazy high productivity, way better safety, a perfect clean every single time, and here's the big one, major cost savings in the long run. And that right there is what we call the manual problem. In any large-scale operation, trying to keep up with old methods just doesn't work. It's not just inefficient, it's completely unsustainable. The standards today demand a much, much better solution. So what's that solution? It's all about having the right mechanical toolkit. I mean, you wouldn't try to build a house with just a hammer, right? Same idea. So let's take a quick tour of the 10 essential machines that are going to be the foundation of your cleaning operations. First up, the walk-behind scrubber. This is your versatile, everyday workhorse. Its biggest advantage is how nimble it is. Think about it. Weaving through tight retail aisles or around equipment in a workshop, this thing is a champ. It scrubs and dries all in one go, so the floor is safe and ready to use immediately. And then you've got the absolute beast of the fleet, the ride-on scrubber. If the walk-behind is your daily driver, this thing is the highway semi-truck. For those huge, wide-open spaces, warehouses, convention centers, you name it, nothing, and I mean nothing, beats a ride-on for covering a ton of ground fast. It can turn an all-day job into just a couple of hours. You wouldn't paint a dirty wall, right? So why would you try to scrub a floor that's covered in debris? That is exactly where industrial sweepers come in. They are your first line of defense, that critical prep step that clears away all the dust and dirt so your scrubber can actually scrub instead of just pushing around mud. Now, for that final wow factor, you bring in the specialists, burnishers and polishers. These are the machines that give you that incredible high-gloss professional shine. And that shine, it's not just for looks. It sends a message to your clients and your employees that you care about quality in everything you do. For the kind of grime that just laughs at a regular brush and some chemicals, you gotta bring out the big guns. And that's the raw power of a pressure washer. It just blasts away years of caked-on gunk, which makes it perfect for outdoor loading docks or greasy production areas where nothing else will even make a dent. Now, in places where hygiene is absolutely non-negotiable, think commercial kitchens, healthcare facilities, the steam cleaner is your champion. Its power is just superheated steam. It sanitizes on contact, killing bacteria without leaving behind any of those harsh chemical smells or residues. It's a game changer for sensitive environments. Okay, let's be clear. An industrial vacuum is in a whole different league than the one you have at home. These are the heavy-duty monsters of your fleet. They're built to suck up everything from fine dust and puddles of liquid to chunks of debris that would instantly kill a normal vacuum. But what if you've got carpets? You can't scrub those, right? Well, that's a job for the carpet extractor. And this is so much more than a vacuum. It actually deep cleans by shooting a cleaning solution down into the carpet fibers, scrubbing them, and then using powerful suction to pull all that dirty water and grime right back out. Now we're getting into the really specialized gear. Sanders and grinders. These aren't for your Tuesday morning cleanup. No, this is for major floor restoration projects, like smoothing out rough concrete or stripping off an old, worn-out coating to get the surface ready for something new. They're a key part of managing your floors for the long haul. And finally, let's talk about something that sounds simple but is absolutely critical: safety. The automatic floor dryer is a hero here. By drying floors almost instantly after they've been scrubbed, it does two incredibly important things. It slashes the risk of slip and fall accidents and gets your busy, high-traffic areas back in service, like right now. Okay, so you've seen the whole toolkit. Awesome. But here's the thing. Having the tools is one thing. Knowing which one to grab is everything. So now we get to the most important part: a dead simple 3-step strategy to make sure you pick the absolute perfect machine for your facility. It really boils down to 3 simple questions you have to ask yourself. First, just look at your space. A huge open warehouse has totally different needs than a store with tight, cluttered aisles, right? Second, what kind of floor do you have? Using the wrong machine on tile versus epoxy could wreck it. And finally, what's the job? Are we talking a light daily tidy-up, or are you trying to remove 5 years of caked-on grease? And once you've answered those questions, this chart is basically your cheat sheet. It makes the decision so easy. You've got a big open warehouse? Boom, you're looking at a ride-on scrubber and a sweeper. A commercial kitchen where hygiene is key? That points you straight to a steam cleaner. It's all about matching the right tool to the right task. Okay, so you've picked your type of machine. We're getting close, but now we need to zoom in on the features. This is how you tell the difference between a decent piece of equipment and a truly great investment that's going to pay you back for years. When you're looking at different models, these 4 things are, in my book, non-negotiable. First, durability. You want a solid frame that can handle the inevitable bumps and scrapes. Second, efficiency. Look at the battery life. Longer life means less downtime. Third, usability. If it's a pain for your team to use, they won't use it well. And finally, safety. Features like an emergency stop button are an absolute must. So what does that actually look like on a real machine? Well, the best brands really focus on features that deliver on those core needs. For example, you'll see things like high-capacity lithium batteries. What does that mean for you? Less time charging, more time cleaning. Simple. Or smart water management systems. That saves you time, money, and it's better for the environment. These are the details that really matter. All right, you've done the research, you've picked your champion machine. Now what? Well, now we talk about how to protect that investment. Because with just a little bit of simple, consistent care, you can get a decade or even more of peak performance out of it. Look, this isn't complicated stuff. It's really just a simple end-of-day routine. You just gotta do it. As you see here, clean out the tanks, give the brushes a quick look for wear, make sure the battery's charging properly. These little daily habits, plus maybe a yearly service call from a pro, are what will keep that machine running like new for years and years. And why do you do all that? For this number right here, 7 to 10 years. That's the typical life you can expect from a machine that you take care of. Now compare that to the never-ending cost and hassle of manual cleaning, and you can see why this is one of the smartest investments you can possibly make for your facility. So let's wrap it up here. Getting past the old mop and bucket, it's about so much more than just buying a new gadget. It's a strategic move that upgrades your facility's safety, your efficiency, and your professional image. So the only real question left is your facility ready for a cleaning revolution?